I'm at the Akatarawa saddle, about to try and get to Renata hut. Pretty cold start to the day, 10 minutes to 8 in the morning. As you can see, it's a pretty rough four-wheel drive track we're walking on at the moment. Just some of the obstacles on this road. This is the biggest pond I've come to so far, but there's lots of these. There's been lots of side roads along the way. You need to either have a GPS or a compass just to make sure you take the right turn. There are lots of side tracks that you could take. I've already taken a couple. So where I'm going, onwards and upwards. Okay, I'm at 600 meters. Almost been going for an hour. Mid-September at the moment. Making the most of the Saturday. Now at an elevation of 750 meters. So if you do come here, you want to be, I guess, prepared for the cold, prepared for the rain. We are up in the mountains now. Okay, it's starting to get pretty cold now. It looks like it's about to rain. Definitely the trail was getting more kind of alpine, Tararua kind of feel now. Okay, it's getting a bit misty now. It's like I'm getting up in the clouds. 10 to 10 in the morning. I'm 817 meters above sea level. See that, but there's a car down there. Okay, we're going to get out into some exposed wind here, see how it goes. Okay, that wind chill's really chilly here, it's freezing cold. Very exposed. It's 10:30 in the morning and I'm 660 meters elevation. Renata hut, which is great news. According to the sign, I've just done 10 kilometres. Nui hut 4 hours. Otaki Fork 6 hours. Okay, now this looks like we're leaving the road. I've done 11 kilometres, and next stop, Renata hut. Okay, as you can see, this is absolutely beautiful. Now on the lee side of the hill, so there's no wind. It's actually quite calm. Okay, just coming up on Renata hut. Okay, made it, Renata hut. Time is 11:48. As you can see, there's a bit of rain in the air. It's not a bad day. Definitely worth the trip. Just on my way back down. See the coast down in the distance.